Okay, today I have a workout for you for longevity, whatever your sport. Great for tennis, basketball, any sport, just for life in general. Great longevity workout. Here we go. Oh, by the way, this is from Knees Over Toes guy, Ben Patrick, and his buddy Derek Williams. Big shout out to them. Their program is awesome and I highly recommend it. The sled is not easy. It's tough. Ben and Derek talk about the sled flu. Yeah, you can get the sled flu all right. Yeah, but I'm doing here about 120 yards in reverse and 120 yards pushing. So that's a good, really gets me warmed up for the rest of the workout. Okay, here I'm doing a 60-second slant board calf stretch. 60 seconds. I've got my watch on. Gonna time this. Okay. You've got to do both sides. This is great for your Achilles tendon and your calf. I've had issues with pulling calf muscles sometimes, and stretching, functional stretching, where you're holding the stretch, you're strengthening the muscles. It's the way to go. And thanks to Knees Over Toes guy, Ben Patrick and Derek Williams. So check those guys out if you never have. It's excellent. I got to keep my posture here. Okay, these are for your tibialis raises. I'm going to do at least 20, if not 30. Hold it at the top. Okay, the next exercise, Polican pulses with a slant board. It allows you to really get the knee over the toe, and that's what you want to do. Get the knees over the toes. Don't go with conventional approaches. You're not going to get any success with your knees. When you go over the toe, you're getting the synovial fluid into the joint. That's bringing the nutrients and the healing. So I'm going to do 100 on each side. I usually do sets of 20. You can use assistance, and I'm just trying to pulse it over the toe. Okay, the next exercise is split squats with the slant board. Now you can do pulses here. I'm at the point now where I'm doing the full split squat and do up to 50. And by the way, you can do these exercises. If you have problems with your knees, you can do these in a regressing manner. You know, just do a little bit. But the point is, and if you go to knees over toes, you're going to see you have to get movement there to get the fluid, synovial fluid, back to the joint. So regress as much as necessary. If you feel a lot of pain, hold off. No, don't go there. Just go to a little bit of discomfort and move it. So remember that. I don't want anybody getting hurt on this, all right? Here we go. Okay. Now I'm doing 20 low cable pull-ins, and these are good for your hip flexors and your lower abs. Okay, 20 one-legged back extensions. I've got a 10-pound weight here. And remember, you want to hold it at the top for a second. Okay, next exercise, back extension, ATG rows. Okay, so I'm going to do 20 here. Okay, next exercise is band pull-aparts. This is great for the rear deltoids back here and for the rhomboid muscles in here. So if you're a tennis player, great for your one-handed backhand. So I'll do up to 50 of these. Start at 25, work your way up to 50. Open up the chest as much as you can. Okay, last exercise, grippers. I picked this up at Dick's, 15 bucks. So you're squeezing that 20 times. Great for the forearm, the extensor muscle, if you have a one-handed backhand. But grip is important for longevity. You want to have a strong grip. So you're going to do 20. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this workout a try. You may have to jerry-rig things to, do the ones that I've done. I remember I had this box with salt bags in it that I used to push as a sled when I was getting started. I'd push it on the concrete, and it worked pretty well. But I really love this sled that I have. But anyway, you can get those on Amazon, so check it out. Remember, go to Knees Over Toes Guy and check out what he's doing there. He's got a lot of good stuff for longevity and for really taking your athleticism up a notch. So tennis players, people that are just trying to be healthy, it doesn't matter, for your longevity and for your health and for your strength and fitness, check out Knees Over Toes Guy. Excellent, excellent exercises. I'm into it now and I really enjoy it, and it's helping me. Please give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. All the best, guys. Take care. And remember, eat your fruits and veggies. They are the best foods on the planet, and they supply adequate protein to build muscle. And that's what I'm trying to do now. So we'll see. This is an experiment. 72-year-old who's been thin his whole life. I was never in a weight training program or anything like that, not even a body weight. I just basically played sports. I played basketball, I ran track, I even played a little football. And tennis has been my main sport for the last over 45 years. So give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Take care.